seems. Mangalam, look at Trent go. One more blowout quarter.
One more blowout quarter. In fact, in the last 6 months itself, the stock has doubled, and that's not all. It was never trading cheap, but in the last 5 years or so, it has moved 10 times. So that's telling you about the scale at which the company is growing. And at a time when everyone's struggling for growth in the consumer space, the company has posted revenue growth of 50% year on year. A retail company, when it grows revenue at 50%, obviously operating leverage plays out. The EBITDA has doubled, and the net profit has jumped to 140% itself. So across all estimates, which were on a higher level, the company has gone ahead and beat them. And that's, reflecting in the stock price move that we're seeing. And that's not all. The big pivot for Trent happened when they moved to expanding Zudio formats. And in this quarter as well, that continues. They've added 50 Zudio stores as against just 5 West Side stores. And like-for-like growth for the company this time around has been 10%. Gross margin profile has been maintained for both the companies. And importantly, just looking at the trends for Trent, FY21, their revenue was close to 2,600 crores. First 9 months of this year, the revenues are close to 10,000 crores. Similar with the profitability, it was a loss-making company, a loss of 200 crores in FY21. But now as we speak, the loss has crossed, or rather the profit has crossed 766 crores. The big drivers for them is that the company is not only stopping at Zudio, they are evaluating all other formats for growth as well. And some of them include the likes of Star, Samo and Utsaah. Not particularly cheap at 89 times FY25 earnings, but these are analyst estimates which the company has managed to beat every time. So we may see some upgrades coming in on Trent tomorrow as well.
89 times forward multiple. That's massive, right, for a company this size. Mangalam, thank you very much for that. Prakash,